Today I'm going to talk about a topic which I was supposed to give a talk in a webinar. Webinar of my friend Zareen Khan, Hope and Soul. It started as scheduled. She even introduced me, but the moment I came, there was some technical problem and a disconnectivity, and I was not on board. Despite her all effort to set it right, but we could not get connected. Hence, the talk was not done. So today I thought I'll share my views on the topic how to view failure or how one should handle failure. I'm sure Zareen and her all friends can either hear now or share this video on the group so that everybody gets benefit and they don't miss much. So my friend, तरक्कियों के दौर में उसी का जोर चल गया, बना के अपना रास्ता जो भीड़ से निकल गया. Remember, each failure is a challenge. Each problem is a door for a possibility, or even I say that for door for a multiple possibilities. All you have to do is to become little aware. Handling failures, I feel, unconsciously is like finding a snake in a dark room. If you switch on the light or light a lamp, bring light into the room, it will make you aware not only of the snake's location, but also it gives you the choice instantly. Either you leave the room safely or you can kill the snake. Same goes for failures, my friend. Failures and problems are universal. They are bound to be there and they should be there, I feel. We are just simply so afraid and don't do anything about it and get stuck there itself. Make home there. I feel what my experience says. Whenever you're struck or when you face a failure, at least you should be thankful to yourself that you did something, and that's why the result is there. Whether it is positive or negative, but some result is there on you're doing something. You're much better than it is better to fail, I would say, than not to try or attempt at all. You should be thankful that you did something. So what the results are not as you desired for, you see, you have still learned so much. By doing this you will certainly fail, but not doing this, if you make improvement, change your method, process, try again, you will succeed. You got to learn a lot from your failures, my friend. Failure brings definite opportunities. You find answers to many questions you wouldn't have even thought of that they are there. Failures, I feel, they actually push your potentials to a higher level. You see, एक पुरानी कहावत है कि जो लहर कमर तोड़ती नहीं वो कमर को और भी मजबूत कर देती है. The wave which does not break your back, it strengthens your back actually. You see the world around you. There are far too many people who have succeeded after not one single but multiple failures, despite all kinds of restrictions, challenges. Even they are physically challenged people, they have done so exceedingly well. You needn't think too much on your failures. That is the first thing I feel. Simply accept whatever the result is. Then remind yourself that it is just a failure. It is not the setback of life. Life never ends there. Be constructive. and learn from the situations. Re Remind yourself, I feel, that anybody who wants to do something of value in life will have to face failures, will have to fail at some time or the other. It is just a process. It is yet just a step to the success. Yeah, we are human. आखिर के तो इंसान है, फरिश्ता तो नहीं, फरिश्ते तो नहीं हम. We do get dejected. We do get frustrated. So, share with someone close, I say. Maybe your father, mother, your spouse, husband, wife, friends, or whomsoever whom you trust. Lighten yourself. Take a short break. Recharge yourself. Find inspiration and support from the people in your vicinity, people you know. If you don't know, even for the lives of the people who have succeeded despite problems, failures, challenges, and then move forward. Don't stay put there. Brooding brings nothing. Make a considered plan for the next salvo. Take action on that plan right away. Build up your self esteem further. Don't let it injured or get damaged. All you need, my friend, is certain amount of resolution and determination. Accept. Simply accept where you succeed and just forget if you have failed, and develop that willpower to take success and failure is just an idea. It is just an incident. It is not an absolute thing at all. And for that, you got to develop your willpower. And how do you get your willpower? By doing good, by having a positive attitude, developing a never say attitude, never say die attitude, doing good to people, moving on. Remember, my friend, I say it is very connected and important thing to understand that you fail or succeed by applying the intellect, the kind of wisdom, maturity, experience you have. And your intellect is a minuscule part of your personality. Personality is much bigger than intellect. Don't let your personality is a huge thing. It should accept the failure and the success in the same go and move on. I generally quote sometime, you see, how the personality matters and affect your intellect. You read this, I read this autobiography of Hari Singh God. Hari Singh God belonged to Sagar. He was a very renowned lawyer and was practicing in London, and he was known for his potential and his shrewdness, for his brains, that he had never lost a case. He writes in his biography that in one of the case, the only case he lost, and how he lost, that while he was presenting his arguments, while he was quoting all the laws, references, you see, and they were coming like in such a flow, mesmerizing everybody, the audiences, the judge especially. The lawyer of the opposite side suddenly noticed that Hari Singh God, while he is talking, his right hand, he's fiddling with the button of the gown or the coat, the black gown he was putting on, all through. And a very strange idea struck the lawyer of the opposite party. You see how the personality and the intellect is connected. I'm giving the example. What he did, he bribed the driver of the Hari Singh God and told him that tomorrow when he comes to the court for the next session, just remove this button, and before you hand over the coat to him, and the next day when Hari Singh God entered the court, the driver gave the gown to him. He enters the court, and without realizing, he didn't know, and he donned his coat. And the moment he started presenting his case, his hand automatically, like his reflex, it was part of his personality to touch the start fiddling with that, holding that button, and the button was missing. And he suddenly his intellect stopped performing. He went blank. He could not put forth his arguments. And he says that for the first time he lost that case. My friend, your personality is much bigger than your intellect. Don't get bogged down by any kind of a failure, or don't get struck too happy about any kind of success. They are just a passing phase. Just involve in a careful activity. Distance yourself from your mental exercise of brooding, thinking too much. Learn to fix your problems joyfully, dispassionate analysis, and ultimately grow peaceful within. You got to update yourself. You got to strengthen yourself with your knowledge, instrument, implement, resources, whatever. You cannot go to a Formula Race 1 car with your old ambassador car. Results, you know what's going to happen. My friend, remember, there is no such thing as failure. Failure is an idea, because success is also just an idea. Just walk through. If you know how to walk through with joy, my friend, even in hell you won't be there for very long. बेफैज एक चिराग बताया गया मुझे, सूरज बुझा तो ढूंढ के लाया गया मुझे, उभरा हर एक बार नया फूल बन के मैं, मिट्टी में जितनी बार मिलाया गया मुझे. Accept. First step, handling failure. Accept. Give no excuses. Don't blame anyone, the environment, the situation, the people. Accept fully. Analyze the reasons of the failure, why it happened. Peacefully, sincerely. Put it down, list them out. Learn from each reason of the failure. Make amends. And try put in the attempt better equipped with more determination, I said, more with greater resolution. There is no doubt that you will fail. You are bound to succeed. My friend, हार जब होती है जब मान लिया जाता है, और जीत तब होती है जब ठान लिया जाता है. Absolutely be clear, you will not stop. Whether it's failure or success, you will keep on moving. सितारों के आगे जहां और भी है, अभी इश्क में इम्तिहान और भी है. तू शाहीन है, परवाज है काम तेरा, इस आसमां के आगे आसमां और भी हैं. Keep moving, my friends. There is nothing known as failure. परों को खोल, जमाना उड़ान देखता है, जमी पे बैठ के क्या आसमान देखता है. Don't sit back and keep looking at sky and keep brooding about your failures. Simply open your wings, take a flight, and move across the limits of the skies. Thank you very much.